Why is my car blowing out hot air when the AC is on? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So first of all, let's make sure we determine what you actually have going on there. Is it blowing out hot air like heat, or is it just not cooling? Because there is a little bit of a difference. If it's hot like it's heat, then there's a good chance that there's some doors inside of your dash that control hot and cold. And you could have a problem with an actuator that controls that door or the door itself. Now, if that's working, so you can control hot and cold, but you're not getting cold air, then you probably have a problem with the refrigeration system. So either your compressor's not coming on, or you're low on Freon, or something like that. So there's a number of different directions we have to go depending on what's going on there. We do have some videos that kind of tell you how to do some quick checks that might help you pinpoint that. But there's what you got. You either have the heat on, or you have a problem with the refrigeration system not making cold. I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.